Hey guys, welcome to Living Life Barefoot. I'm Mallory.
I'm Dylan.
And I'm Gavin.
And we are a homeschool family. We also run a microgreens business. We grow microgreens for our local community. We also branched out and put together a microgreen grow kit so we could teach others how to grow microgreens for themselves. Our microgreen grow kit would be a perfect homeschool project for you guys. So whether you unschool, you follow a certain curriculum in your homeschool, or you just do life school, these kits would be perfect for you. It's a wonderful hands-on project that you can do with the entire family, any age, and we would like to share about it with you today. So I want to share some ways that you can incorporate this with your homeschool. You can make it a project all by itself and just learn about microgreens. Maybe you're following a homeschool curriculum and you are learning about the following subjects: botany, science, nutrition, gardening, health. You could use our microgreen grow kits as a project in connection with those subjects. You would also be teaching your children about growing food, soil health, about organic seeds, getting closer to their food. Maybe you're trying to teach your kids about gardening. Well, sometimes that is hard to keep them interested because of the long garden season. With microgreens, it only takes 10 days from plant to harvest, so they're super interested the entire time. Maybe you're learning about botany and the different stages of a plant's life cycle. Microgreens would be really fun to incorporate into that subject. Maybe you're learning about health and nutrition. The microgreen grow kit would be perfect for that because you could teach them all about growing their own food and how it's beneficial and healthy for them. And they could be excited because they're growing a superfood. So that would be really fun to incorporate into those subjects. You could even use these microgreen grow kits if you are teaching your kids about being an entrepreneur. We actually started a microgreens business, so you could teach them how to grow food for their local community and be able to make profit off of it. Sometimes during the homeschool year when it's winter and you're stuck inside with not a lot of things to do like you would be able to do outside, actually use these kits and grow them indoors. You don't need a lot of space. You can just do it right on your kitchen counter or your homeschool table or your coffee table in your living room. We're happy to share about our microgreen grow kits from our homeschool family to yours. And we just want to walk you through this really quickly and show you what's inside the kit, so you can see if it would be a perfect fit. It's actually a beginner kit that includes everything you need to get started. So once you get the kit, you can just start right away.
You get a made simple booklet, a calendar, and a sticker.
Fun little sticker for your kids. So this booklet would be a fun little guide to be able to read with your family, and talks a little bit about the benefits of microgreens, and it touches base on how to grow them. It actually has a QR code on the back that takes you to 4 videos specifically for this grow kit that'll walk you through the entire thing that you would be able to watch with your family.
3 packs of seeds. You'll get sunflower, broccoli, and salad mix. And then you get a cool bag.
Yep, and you can use that bag to store all your stuff away while you're not using your kit. This is a quick little overview of what comes inside the kit. We would love to share this kit with other homeschool families. We'd love to see pictures of your family growing the microgreens using the kit. So make sure if you purchase a kit from us and you are homeschool family, please tag us in or send us pictures of you with your family growing and using the microgreen grow kits. We would love to reach as many homeschool families as we can, and so we put together a code for you. So if you are interested in purchasing the kit to do a project with your family, make sure you type in homeschool at checkout and you can get a discount. And we hope you are excited to try them out. It's a wonderful hands-on project that you can include in your homeschooling in so many different ways. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please comment below, how long have you been homeschooling?
Yeah.
We have also came out with a lot more content on growing microgreens, so you can continue the education by checking out our other videos.
And remember to like, subscribe, and share our videos.